Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So Orlando Pirates siyikhiphe iboom sesiyulala nje. Iboom eliphume namhlanje ke bafethu indaba yithethwa ndlondlo nyamaze kundaba yithethwa ndlondlo Orlando Pirates iprovide i-team news updates asambeni soyifunda kulabo bangakaboni. Ngoba nibona ke la Orlando Pirates ikhiphe i-statement regarding undaba yithethwa ndlondlo. I posted a video regarding undaba yithethwa ndlondlo ukuthi uzoshare ku Orlando Pirates kule season le. Umchida right now so free agent njengoba echaza nje laba bafethu undaba yithethwa ndlondlo is free to join any team ayithandayo bafethu. Okwamanje i-team iyabonga ngempela usizo asinikeze lona iminyaka ihlalele koLorlando Pirates siyayibonga ngempela yabo uyisizile Orlando Pirates ukuba ingxenye yalabadlali abakwazi ukusiwinela le icoco esinazo today. Simfisela okuhle kwi-future yabo. Orlando Pirates ayigcinanga lapho yakhipha ezinye indaba. Nazi ke ezinye indaba la kuthiwa meanwhile Orlando Pirates FC.com can also confirm that an agreement has been reached between Orbit College FC for the loan of Monapule Saleng. The 27 years old will spend the 2025-2026 season with Orbit College bafethu. Indaba ke lezi esathanda kuphuma kwamanje. Angifuqama angizazi ngizuze kanjani ngale indaba lezi. Yabo abantu abaningi bebe skeptical regarding indaba zika Monapule Saleng but ke Orlando Pirates isiyikhiphile. Kodwa indlela eyikhiphe ngakhona ayimbekanga isho kumbeka uMonapule Saleng kwi-cover ye-Orlando Pirates like wasubheka le cover azikho isho indaba ezizodwa zika Monapule Saleng. Isithombe isho esisodwa sika Monapule Saleng la nje ubona uNdlondlo kubhala uthi thank you kuNdlondlo but you don't even see uSaleng kule cover le. Yabo ukutshela ukuthi hayi Orlando Pirates ngempela izinto zinkulu ezenzekalayo between yena umshida uSaleng noOrlando Pirates luningi udaba esingalazi. Indaba yakhe nje bayoyibeka ezantsi lapha but ningakhohlwa ngathi basho njalo ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi uSaleng uyahamba uyojoina iOrbit College FC. Bafethu they should have done better. They should have done better regarding lo daba lolu mfethu bayibeke kahle. Yabo indlela abayibeka ngakhona ngazuthi konje yabonga inaleyo nto nje inaleyo ndelelo phakathi but ke Monapule Saleng is another player that will leave Orlando Pirates bafethu. Ngangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba. Undaba yithethwa ndlondlo is one of those players abahambayo nabo. I spoke about Goodman Mosela, I spoke about Azola Jobeni. Those are those players angenza abahambi.